Hello, all the entertainment enthusiasts at Far Outlook. Join me on an exciting adventure on this YouTube channel. Together, we will discover the secrets of thrilling test drives, where boundless power and curiosity await. Buckle up and discover machines we've never heard of. The ISS Rubber Chip 1011 project in Cottonwood, Arizona made a splash thanks to its use of crumb rubber chip seal, a unique technique for paving the road surface. Recycling rubber scraps from old tires is not only an environmental advancement, but also contributes to improving road quality. The combination of crushed rubber chip seal and road surface creates a durable road surface that resists abrasion and reduces noise from passing vehicles. This not only improves road safety, but also benefits the environment and local communities. Did you know that MRL Epoxy Pro Plural Component Striper is one of a kind that is especially impressive? The MRL Epoxy Pro Multi-Component Line Scanner is a truck-mounted multi-component sprayer designed for high-performance line marking that is easy to maintain and operate. The highlight of this machine is the exclusive MRL pressure mixing system, which allows the environmentally friendly application of epoxy, polyurethane, and polyurea without the use of harmful solvents. Operating the machine requires a commercial driver's license (CDL), highlighting the machine's professionalism and reliability in the road marking and infrastructure industry. Gomaco GT 3600, a sliding formwork concrete pavers and curbs, is truly a groundbreaking innovation in concrete road construction. What is especially impressive is that Gomaco GT 3600 has a 3D guidance system, ensuring all construction work is done accurately. The machine also stands out for its ability to work in areas with tight curvature radii where concrete paving has previously been a challenge. This opens up many new opportunities for concrete road construction and maintenance. With the ability to create high-quality concrete slips and curbs, Gomaco GT 3600 is a significant step forward in the concrete road and sidewalk construction industry. The Palazzani Palcrane RPG 2900 Mini Crane is an exceptional icon in a compact unit. With a width of only 730 mm and a weight of 2,600 kilograms, it can operate effectively in tight and hard-to-reach spaces. What is especially noteworthy is the ability to lift loads of up to 2.9 tons using an 8.7-meter telescopic crane arm, allowing it to reach a maximum height of 12.5 meters. Whether you're working in a confined space or need the power to lift loads to significant heights, the RPG 2900 will meet your every need with its rugged construction and impressive performance. The Fendt agricultural supercar fleet, including the monster Fendt 1050 Vario with a breakthrough power of up to 500 horsepower and the powerful Fendt 939 Vario S4 with 390 horsepower, has demonstrated impressive deep plowing and terrain-changing capabilities. Difficult shapes become easier to construct and more resilient. They can plow to an incredible depth of up to 1.80 meters with their homemade plow. This technique represents a breakthrough in creating optimal conditions for crops and improving farmers' working efficiency. LUF 300 SG, the leading robot in the firefighting industry, stands out with the ability to shoot water up to 85 meters, a system specifically designed to fight large fires. Its power lies in the powerful 6-cylinder diesel engine, with a capacity of 300 horsepower, providing up to 5,500 liters of water per minute at a pressure of 8 bars, 116 psi at the main screen. Furthermore, the water screen can be continuously adjusted 180 degrees, allowing it to shoot water up to 3.5 meters above the ground. The screen's 270-degree rotation ability maximizes flexibility in firefighting operations, bringing convenience and efficiency to users. The power and unique performance of the LUF 300SG will certainly surprise you. The Conver MC 100-510 boat is truly impressive in cutting underwater aquatic vegetation. With the ability to operate effectively in many different types of water bodies, from small canals to large lakes, it is a versatile solution to the problem of underwater vegetation clogging. The real highlight comes from its ability to operate in challenging environments, where aquatic vegetation often thrives and is difficult to control. With the Conver MC 100-510, underwater grass cutting is easier and more effective than ever, becoming a remarkable step forward in protecting the environment and improving the underwater ecosystem. The Grimm Rexor 630 self-propelled sugar beet harvester has marked a giant step forward in agriculture. With its unique 6-row cutting and automatic running wheel system, it deserves to be called the Harvest Monster. With the ability to store up to 30 tons, 45 cubic meters in a large bunker, Rexor 630 helps farmers complete the harvesting process quickly and optimize quality. Themis Observe Unmanned Ground Vehicle (UGV) is an advanced unmanned vehicle that can collect multi-sensor intelligence. Its primary mission is to enhance situational awareness and provide optimal wide-area intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, along with combat damage assessment capabilities. Themis Observe UGV plays a key role in improving the performance and security of military and security operations by providing detailed information. The FEMIC S5 MZ 160 lawnmower and mulcher is a powerful lawnmower and mulcher designed to clear and mulch densely vegetated areas or pastures. When combined with the Avant 860i, the front attachment becomes a versatile tool for removing and preparing areas prior to planting or construction. With quick and easy assembly, the Avant 860y with FEMAC S5 MZ 160 mulcher is an effective solution for agricultural work. The Shilltrack Front Mawerka is a multi-purpose tool designed for front-mounted equipment for harvesting grass and large plants. This is a great tool in agriculture and crop management. Shilltrack Front Mawerka's design can be adjusted to the user's needs, helping to improve work efficiency and harvest crops quickly and effectively. This tool is convenient and easy to use, contributing to increased productivity in landscape management and food production in agriculture. (360 Rain is truly a breakthrough in the agricultural industry. With the ability to deliver water precisely to each plant, 360 range significantly reduces water demand, operating efficiently with only 25% of the required flow compared to traditional central shaft systems. Furthermore, the ability to operate on uneven terrain and adjust nitrogen, water, and micronutrient ratios makes 360 rain a flexible and effective solution. Its ability to cover 100% of land is remarkable. 360 rain is truly an incredible solution for rice farmers. TN70 and TN35 are advanced achievements in automation technology in floor cleaning and maintenance. Sparkaz's TN70 and TN35 automatic floor sweepers are a great combination of smart positioning system and advanced cleaning capabilities. The automation capabilities of the TN70 and TN35 allow them to complete cleaning tasks automatically and efficiently. They represent advances in automation technology, helping businesses and organizations perform cleaning tasks effectively and save time. The John Deere S780 is a symbol of outstanding performance in organic peanut harvesting. With a powerful motor and advanced harvesting system, it ensures a quick and efficient harvesting process. It ensures the quality of the final product. Using advanced technology, the John Deere S780 optimizes performance and saves energy, helping farmers produce high-quality organic products. This is truly a great choice for organic agriculture. MVTTEC beer apple harvesters are assembled on many types of tractors with capacities from 80 to 130 horsepower. It can harvest between 40 and 70 tons of beer apples per day and up to 120 tons under optimal conditions. Average moving speed ranges from 0.6 to 2 kilometers per h. Is installed in the cabin to help users easily control. With its simplicity, durability, and efficiency, this machine is the ideal choice for harvesting beer apples in orchards. Sealeg's 12RC is a symbol of speed and performance. With a powerful engine, this boat can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per h on water. With a total length of 12.3 meters and a width of 3.8 meters, it offers spacious and comfortable accommodation. The boat's dry weight is 7 tons, allowing it to glide smoothly on the sea. The Sealeg's 12RC delivers a superior offshore experience with top speed performance, making it a great choice for those who love the sea and luxury. Hortec Ventum demonstrates incredible flexibility and ingenuity. With outstanding harvesting ability, 50% superior to traditional vegetable harvesters, the device can select, produce, and remove impurities through the air duct system. Furthermore, Ventum also packs and weighs products automatically, minimizing harvest time. This shows Ventum's versatility and innovation potential in the agricultural industry. Mercedes. Iconic cars put environmental friendliness and efficiency first. With a nearly silent electric powertrain, the vehicle helps reduce noise and environmental pollution. The impressive turning radius from the rear steering axle allows the vehicle to move flexibly in tight urban environments. The Fawn Variopress body is elegantly and modernly designed, featuring automatic waste container lifting, lid closing, and push-button controls, creating an efficient waste collection process with minimal resource requirements. The electric chassis with lithium-ion and hydrogen fuel cell technology demonstrates its commitment to protecting the environment and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The AG20 off-road vehicle is one of the world's leading off-road vehicle models, produced in 2016 by Nordhunter in Russia. It has a 4.4 all-wheel drive system with ultra-low pressure tires. The car's steering wheel allows the driver to control the vehicle without any special preparation, similar to a car's steering wheel, enhancing driver friendliness. The rear wheel mechanism with the ability to rotate helps the vehicle overcome the most difficult conditions, while the tire inflation process from the steering wheel helps increase convenience and comfort when used. Do you want to own a great car like this? The Blacktrack Fendt 724 Vario tractor is equipped with Zoidberg wheels. The Lemken Diamant 11 plow originally had 7 furrows. However, it is still equipped with an additional notch, making it an 8-notch model. This posed quite a challenge for the 240 horsepower front-end tractor equipped with a lawnmower from Teno in Slovenia. With this updated configuration, Dazoo farms can mow and plow large areas, up to 3 meters in one go, helping to minimize soil compaction. The John Deere 6170M, a powerful tractor model from John Deere, is designed to improve productivity in harvesting and agriculture. With a high-output diesel engine, 4-wheel drive, 4WD capability, and the ability to work on challenging terrain, the John Deere 6170M is the right choice for a variety of agricultural terrain. It can improve efficiency in plowing, sowing, and caring for plants. The John Deere 6170M represents efficiency and robustness in agriculture, making it the top choice for those looking to improve their work efficiency. Welcome to the introduction of the 4-row strawberry bed press, a specialized plow designed to improve productivity in strawberry growing. It can create up to 4 rows of strawberry beds at a time. It has modern features such as a hydraulic head sweep system and a pig stand to optimize workflow. This advancement helps control work effectively, but also helps farmers improve productivity and optimize strawberry growing. Next, Felipe Boris's automatic olive harvester demonstrates outstanding ingenuity and utility. With the ability to mount on a variety of cranes or vehicles, this machine can operate well in a variety of agricultural environments. It can harvest and hold up to 150 kilograms of olives before needing to be dumped. The machine's clever design effectively collects olives falling from the ground. The Tilmore basket weeder with the spider pattern on the front is a notable innovation in the care of agricultural crops. These spiders certainly worked effectively by providing the force needed to rotate the basket at the rear on clay soils, especially in situations where it was placed lightly behind the plow. Not only do they help create space between the plant and the ground, reducing the risk of burying the plant, but they also improve yields and ensure that small seedlings are not damaged. Advances in forest fire prevention and control have made significant improvements. The CL-415 Canadair or Bombardier water bomber is an iconic symbol in firefighting and forest fire control. Known for its ability to effectively absorb water and extinguish fires, it is an important tool in protecting forests and properties from fire hazards. With the traditional pea and carrot paint scheme, they have become a symbol of the dedication and perseverance of professional pilots. Importantly, they not only help protect the environment but also save lives and protect the property of millions of people. Advanced road pavers mark a breakthrough in the construction and maintenance of transportation infrastructure. XPA-02 not only represents modernity, but also delivers outstanding performance. Equipped with a powerful engine, the vehicle is capable of moving on all types of terrain and roads. The paving process is performed accurately and consistently, resulting in a smooth and durable road surface. With controls and displays on the tank lid, operators can effectively monitor the paving process. The Brielmeier lawnmower is truly impressive and remarkable. This lawnmower maintains its uniqueness with its side-mounted engine, which uses a hydraulic drive system to control its attachments. This facilitates work efficiency and access to challenging fields. With the latest updates, Brielmeier lawnmowers promise to deliver superior working performance, save more water, and have the ability to work on uneven terrain. This makes it a unique and effective tool for vegetation and weed management. The Brauer Kesmack 4000R is truly an agricultural masterpiece, possessing the ability to produce pallet batches of turf rolls with various diameters from 16 inches to 24 inches, even in soft soil conditions. Equipped with a simple yet effective automatic roll stacking system, it can gently transfer up to 5 rolls of turf onto rear-mounted pallets. This makes stacking hay rolls easy and labor-saving while also allowing forklifts to transport and stack them flat or into pyramid-shaped stacks. In addition to working efficiency, the Brauer 4000 also prioritizes operator comfort, featuring a premium OEM cabin with tinted windows, internal air conditioning, and additional trainer seats, creating favorable conditions for working in all weather conditions. Smoke rose before our eyes was the scene of the combine harvester on fire. Very quickly it spread to the wheat fields. The only fix is to disassemble its parts to reduce damage. Unfortunately, One of the two rear wheels of this car is no longer working, it has stood still. The problem occurs when the job has not been completed. It's a pity it needs to be fixed immediately. Three, point two, point one, let's go. It cannot be. Can you guess if he can get through this mud? Due to poor soil conditions, the combine harvester sank deep in the mud. People have mobilized excavators and tractors to bring the giant machine out of the mud. In the end, all the efforts paid off. The wet weather did not favor the farmer, and the soil was mushy and sticky, making farming extremely difficult. Will the driver get the car through the trouble? John Deere 6620 crashed and stayed in the field for a week. After many days of calling for help, rescue workers were also present to combine repairs. I could only see the mud before something appeared. A machine has been submerged in mud and it is being rescued. This tractor is not convenient when taking the harvested product off the farm. The structure of the soft, porous soil causes the wheel to spin in place. Then it needs the help of its bigger friend. The tractor pulling the plow was lying in the mud. All efforts were in vain. It takes another friend's help for it to get out of trouble. Do you know the use of this giant iron block? Watch how people are rescuing it. Mud has always been the obsession of heavy machines. If the wheels are made of chains, it is easier to move the car. But do you know why they use rubber tires? Day and night, the rescue team is approaching a farm in the southern United States to rescue a tractor that is deeply submerged in the mud. They used an excavator to expand the soil around the wheel, and another tractor was connected to the victim via a cable. A small segment tractor intentionally towed a load that exceeded the allowable weight. Therefore, it was inevitable to take risks when traveling on the highway. And this is one of the most entertaining tractor races. Small machines will be driven by racers to race through obstacles and scary quagmire. People in India are surrounded by a tractor accident. The owner of this car built the rear box to transport goods, and unfortunately it had a problem. Agricultural machine demonstrations are held every year in the Czech Republic. The competition requires the operator to be very skillful and experienced. If given a chance, would you like to participate in this contest? Okay, let's end today's video here. Why haven't you liked this video? Please tell us. Do not hesitate to speak out your preferences, and Far Outlook will fulfill it. Thank you for accompanying me. Please rest soon to have good health. Bye.